Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from Messed Automation channel. Today in this session, we're gonna see about the one of the marker concept called parameterization. So this parameterization is used to pass different arguments via test methods. So in the test methods, we can pass a different arguments and how we can consume those values via arguments. In this session, we will see. So let me open our project folder. And in this project folder, I have modified a test. So test underscore demo 2. I have modified just to make this session starter. So we need to import this PyTest package. And in the PyTest package, if you remember, we have discussed about marker concept, right? So we use the PyTest dot marker dot parameterize. So the word parameterize is representing that we have a couple of parameters and we are holding those values. So if you remember, we have a concept of data provider in TestNG and we have a data tables in Cucumber. So these are plays pretty much equal part, I can say. And this parameterization value will get me the value which is I provided in the via array type. So you can see here we have a number one, number two, and totals. So these values will picked by this array. And how we're gonna call them into our test. So this is the one of the test, which is nothing but test sum and number one, number two, and total. So we're gonna get this number one and we're gonna put it in the assertion number one plus two and which is equal to total. And when it is equal to total, then it says passed. If it is failed, then you will see the error. So this is a simple code, right? So we're going to start using this for this session. And let me open a command prompt. And to run this specific test, so you can take this test name, test sum. So how we going to execute that? So py dot test. So if you remember in the concept of substring methods execution, we have dealt with the hyphen k, the keyword, and this is we need to point to the test method name. So this is a test method name. So test underscore sum. So you have to copy that and put it here. And we can put this verbose. And once you click enter, you will see there are one test set that we have provided and that one test set is executed here. You can see there is a values against that test method name which is test underscore sum and you will see 2 3 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and we're going to provide a few more values here. So here I have provided only one set, so let me give another set as well. So this set contains 10 comma 20 comma both equals 30, right? We're gonna save it and let me rerun the same code. You can see now there are two tests being executed, two gets passed, and if one get passed it means that it is a 50% pass and two gets passed it is 100% pass. And you can keep on add more values here. You can try a negative scenario as well, like giving a different number. So in this case I'm just giving 55 comma 44 which is equal to I will say 100. Okay, let me save and let me rerun the same code. Now you can see there's a one test failure, and in the test failure you will see it will, I mean, in the failure logs also it will provide you the which test case it has failed, where it has failed. You can see complete log stack here. So it has provided in that way in the command prompt itself, and you can see the results. There is a one failed, two passed, four deselected, and time took it was less than a second. You can see where it has captured sys out call, so which is a 55 44 99, and which is a fail condition here, which is equal to 99 actually, but it's supposed to be, I mean, what I was expecting is 100, but it has saying that it should be 99. So this is how we can play around with parameterization. So I have just shown you a simple demo in this session. We're gonna get into the more detail when we do a actual framework level rules against different approaches. So we will see all those details in upcoming sessions. I hope this session is helpful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. And if the session is helpful for you, do post a like and share with a colleague. Thank you for watching.